Hey, what is going on the YouTube? This is Robert, and today I'm bringing to an unboxing, which I know, I haven't said that in a little bit of time, but yeah, today I'm bringing to an unboxing for some Palace Supreme, and then another item that I have, and you may be able to quite drastically notice, as I can currently. My nose is partially red, yeah, that's just due to the ongoing issue that I've got with it at the moment. Great fun, it's just very irritating, very sore, and I have to just not touch it, which is brilliant. So yeah, we'll move on past that and get into the Supreme and everything else. So the main Supreme piece will obviously be last. A couple of the pieces are not going to come out of like what they're in, but most of them, well, they're only like 4, but a couple of them in the end are. I'm also trying to figure out where I can actually sit to record videos. So until everything's sorted, I'm just going to be on this couch, but we've got lovely cardboard boxes behind us from all the things that we've been like taking apart and such, and just still like storing it just straight behind. So yeah, I'm gonna try and set up my camera possibly just to sit on this couch, and I might move some things around, but that's the best I'm gonna be able to do for the time being. So yeah, I'll figure something out soon, but there might not be an unboxing for a few weeks anyway. But I do have a lot of things to go through and make individual videos of, which I'm looking forward to. So December should be like very full for videos, hopefully. But yeah, let's get straight into this anyway. As per normal though, let me know down below whether your items have arrived from the last couple of weeks or what you've ordered in general, and whether you're going to be stocking, rocking or reselling. That can be anything from clothes to graphics cards to PlayStations to Xboxes to shoes to anything. So yeah, let's get straight into this. Okay, so this is probably the best I'm going to be able to get out of this in the end. I think I need to turn the camera, but still. So yeah, like I was saying, this is probably the best I'm going to be able to get out of this, and in general from this. It's okay. So, first piece up, it's just a general piece that I've been looking for a good chunk of time, and a person in my Discord, or in the Discord that I have, or that I've had for ages now, messaged me, because I spoke to him about it when I initially wanted a piece like this, and I couldn't find one, and if I did, the price was about £160. If you've seen the film Knives Out, then you'll know that Chris Evans has a very good, I guess, sweater game in the film in general and across the board. And there's one particular sweater that always looked, you know, really nice. The issue is that it was just expensive, and I left it at that. I gave up. I was like, I can't find one. Moving on. So yeah, that is where we're at with this piece, and in general. So let's see if it looks like it. Please look like it. Yeah, it does. That's definitely as close as I'll get, to be honest, especially for the price. This is from H&M, I believe. A place that I don't believe I've ever actually bought anything from. I'm just hoping that it's the size that I want. I'll give it a throw on. I'll give it a throw on. Going by their measurements, you know, a large was a safe bet, but maybe not. Oh no, this is horrendous. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get a medium. Oh my god, it's so big. Oh no, yeah, this is way too big. I mean, it doesn't look that bad, but the sleeves, and I'm gonna have to get a medium. I really do like it. It's great, but it's. I'll stand up. Like, as you can see, I don't know, maybe it's just me. It's just a bit oversized, but maybe that's just my mind being like, this is too big, you know, and in reality it's probably like an okay sized fit, and people will be like, no, it's fine, don't worry about it. But yeah, God, it is hot. It's really hot. I'm gonna have to keep it on, aren't I, for maybe like the thumbnail or something. People will be like, why are you wearing like an old man's sweater? But no, all I need is like a nice winter coat over the top. God, I would be boiling if I got a coat like his one that he has in the film. Oh my god. We have Palace up next. Like I said, I packed basically everything up that I was going to unbox ages ago. Like, I've got things from August still waiting to be unboxed. So yeah, those videos will be coming, and I want to spend a lot of time on them, and I want to put a lot of effort into things. I don't want to rush, just unbox, because some of them I was really looking forward to. So anyway, this is Palace. I don't really know what made me buy what I bought, because I should have got something else, but it's fine at the end of the day. So let's take this out. So we've got a pair of the running socks, the Adidas ones. I don't know why I bought them. I just did. There was nothing that was stand out about them. Why did I get a medium, which is a UK 6.5 to 8? So I probably got the wrong size as well. But I mean, they look cool-ish. I've had it for a while. I mean, it's obviously week 1, so I've had it a long time, or it's sat around for a long time. So there are those. Standard Palace sticker, which is cool. And then we've got the sticker pack as per norm. I just pick up the sticker packs because I just do in the end. There isn't like any real explanation as to why I do the things that I do. The stickers, they're not, I'll be honest, they're not as good as some of the prior ones. Some of the trifogs are quite cool looking, like as you can see. Some of the stickers are quite cool looking, some of them are just a bit meh. And also I didn't realise that this was actually one of the stickers. This is the Akira. I'm trying to remember how they say it in the film. They yell it when they're saying it normally. But yeah, that's the Palace variation, which I believe might have just released on a tee the other day, or it's releasing next week, but it might have been this week. Next up, we've got Supreme. This is for me, for my like personal use in the end. And yeah, it's nothing special. Let's see if we get a sticker. Oh my god. Yeah, standard box logo sticker. And then we've got the item. So the item in this case is going. Why is it so big? This is a small medium, are you serious? We've got the Steep Tech North Face headband. I mean, this is, as you can see, yeah, it's not the headband I was looking for, I'll be honest. Might just give it to someone as a present instead. It's not what I was after. I'm very disappointed in it now. It's a note to self just to not buy North Face headbands, beanies, anything really in relation to your head to do with them, because it just doesn't go down well for me. But there it is anyway, so let's get on to the thing where I'm actually happy and looking forward to. So obviously I had a quite successful time this season and last season in general when it comes to the more so hyped or, you know, big pieces. I've had a little bit of luck here and there. You know, I might have taken too long, but I've had a bit of luck with things. And yeah, this arrived, obviously. I missed the initial delivery for it, because I did. It's a different bag. Why is it? Could you imagine if it's just not in here and someone's just put like a different item in here? I don't know how I'd actually react to that. But no, it's in there. Oh, we got the box logo sticker too. We've got a couple of stickers. Oh my god, lovely. So we've got basic Supreme sticker. I thought that was like one of the back to front for a second. I thought I got lucky. No, we got the basic Supreme sticker, and then we've got the Tiffany and Co. Why is it marked? Don't be marked. Don't do this to me. Oh, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I'll leave it be. We've got the Tiffany and Co. box logo sticker first and foremost, which I'm happy about. It's not going to focus because it's just focusing on me. But yeah, we've got the sticker, and then obviously on the back it says Tiffany & Co. New York since 1837. So I'm so happy that I've got this sticker because I can go into my like box logo sticker collection. I've only got like 10 or so in there, but yeah, it can join that collection. Yeah, let's get the piece out that we are, well, what you've probably clicked on this video for in the first place, which is here. Oh my god. Which is going to be the Tiffany & Co. box logo tee. Now, obviously I hit a medium, which I think in Supreme's like latest sizing would fit me, but I'm... What the hell? Bruh. Boy, I can't wear that. I can't wear that. I can't wear that. That looks horrendous. Oh my god. So you've got the tee. What is that? What is that? Yeah. That's my Tiffany & Co. box logo. You know. They must have just printed it on with the typewriter, you know, and someone gone, you know, and just, oh my god. Oh my god. You know, I was so looking forward to this unboxing, to getting everything out, and I am just so, I just can't believe that that's like how the central line is there. You go around and it's like the E or like the M. It's not even in line. That's going to cover this unboxing. Thank you for watching. You know, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, a like would be much appreciated. Other than that, I might not just be keeping anything from this video realistically. Like this is probably might just end up being a present. Socks could be as well. Stickers I'll keep, obviously. This sweater I might just have to get used to it being a bit oversized. Can't believe that. I can't believe that. Regardless, I hope that you have a good day, and this should hopefully be out on Sunday. depending if I get round to it. Otherwise it might be out on Monday or Tuesday, but yeah, I hopefully will put it out like Sunday evening or afternoon. But yeah, I'm just having to breathe, just breathe, Robert. But thanks for watching. I hope you have a good day, and I'll see you all next time. Peace.